Welcome to Career TV. So on this episode, this is a very special episode. So many of you have been asking, how do we do it? What's our family like? How we celebrate and stuff, right?
I thought you are going to wait for me.
Surprise! I know.
Okay. Yeah, then let's start. Okay. Welcome to Career TV. Yeah, I've been behind the camera always. I used to take the video for her and do the editing and everything.
Editing is me.
Yeah, editing. Yeah, half her,
half me, half him. Okay, and then so I have a surprise for you.
Yeah, I also have a surprise. Yeah.
What is your surprise?
Yeah, I will tell my surprise.
Oh, so
give me your surprise.
What is the surprise about?
Ladies first.
Okay, what is it about?
It's about the Valentine's Day.
Mine is more towards us.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what today is?
Today is
Today, right?
today is today.
No idea?
I don't know. I forgot. Sorry.
Today is the day we met online. Yeah?
Good.
We've been celebrating it, but we haven't done it in like so.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So I was thinking about how to surprise you.
Okay.
Remember yesterday I asked you to buy some strawberries?
Mm-hmm.
I did something with that. Can I show you? Can I show you?
Yeah, take it.
Okay, hold on. Why don't you sit down? I'll show you something. Hey, wait, what is your surprise?
Yeah, ladies first, right? So
I already told you mine.
I will show you. I'll show you. Let me see.
Fine. Hold on. Okay?
Okay.
I hid it from you.
Wow.
So the girls and I were playing with the strawberries, right? So we were playing and I was teaching them how to make all these figures and stripes and stuff like that. So this is the pro one.
So is it all edible?
Yeah, they're all edible. They're all edible. This is fresh coconut or desiccated coconut.
And what is this one? This looks like
it's confetti.
glitters.
It's confetti, some sort of like a food coloring. So you can. It's all edible. This one has hearts. This one has flowers. That's kids also help. So there's one with a. Okay, this is my favorite one. Look at this one. So this one is actually like a tux. The person is wearing a tux, and there is scribbles and that. We all did it. We were just going crazy about it.
Okay. Now the thing is, kids all went to bed, right? So it's almost like 8:30, 9 o'clock here. So kids went to bed. They have school tomorrow. So we are having our time. Our time starts now, right? The night starts
Usually
now.
this is the time we actually make something like a plan for the next video or for the next session, catch up on both of our days. So I thought we would do something different today.
Okay.
Yeah?
So mine is not that big of a surprise, but since you are bringing a surprise, I had to bring something, right? So
what did you do?
Let me bring mine.
I should be able to suspect.
So it's a wine. Can you guess what wine it would be?
White Zinfandel.
No.
Okay, Merlot.
No.
Cabernet.
No. It's a rosé.
Pinot Noir. Nice. Willamette Valley.
Rosé of Pinot Noir.
Okay.
And it's Willamette Valley Winery. It's our favorite winery.
I was actually in that area, and I was supposed to. I thought, okay, that's anyway, good. We need glasses. We need glasses.
Yeah, I'll bring glasses.
Okay, you open. I'll go get it.
So I kept it in the fridge, but I hide it. I kept it.
I also kept this in the fridge, but I put all the vegetables on top of it so you won't see it.
I kept it towards the back of the vegetables.
So did you see this?
Huh?
Did you see
No,
this?
I didn't see that.
Okay, I was about to say, the girls and I were playing with it. Whoa.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah. So, I really like this one. Which one?
Do you want to read this?
Whole cluster fermented. Fermented for free run juice that bursts from uncrushed pinot noir clusters. We believe this whole cluster process achieves lovely color, aroma, flavor in rosé. The wine is balanced, smooth, and food friendly. Enjoy as an aperitif or with salads, pizza, or light fare. These wines were tended by hand and clustered thin to increase flavor intensity. All our vineyards are sustainably farmed. Wow. You're not supposed to drink this if you're pregnant or using any missionaries. This is actually harvested in September 25th through 28th, 2018. Wow.
Okay.
Do you know where this is? This is in Turner, Oregon.
Oh, it's in Turner. Oh, they have Willamette Valley have one in Forest Grove.
No, they have one in Enchanted Highway. When we go towards California, that's when you usually see this. But
that's Pinot Noir. They have the Pinot Noir there, and then they have another one here in Tualatin or Forest Grove.
I don't know that
this
one.
This one is in Turner.
The girls. So I did this all with the girls, right? They were picking on them. Look, all the pearls been missing. Okay. I want you to try this and let me know because I want to show this as one of the recipes on Creative TV. What do you think?
Yeah, it will be good.
Ouch.
Oh, that's fine.
The chocolate one was too thick of a consistency, so we couldn't make a bow tie on this one. But I made a bow tie on this one.
So how did you make the bow tie?
We melted the chocolate, right? And then we put it in the Ziploc bag. And then I tried to...
You did some artwork.
Yeah. It's not big of a artwork, but it's still... Yeah?
Okay, let's do the cheers and let's have some fun here. Night is ours. So this is the day we've actually met online. Cheers to another. Cheers.
We were going to what was that we were going to make? I had to make kids lunch. I prepare everything for kids lunch, so this is the time we actually make something, clean up, dinner, next day preparation, because both of us are working, right? So it's kind of hard to manage everything. So once the kids are in bed, it's the time for us to actually think it through, because making lunch, dinner, and then being with them completely throughout the day, and then also forecasting for next day, it's actually kind of...
Right. Cheers. Let's do the...
No more cheers.
It's light.
Very light.
I usually go with Cabernets or Pinot Noir. This one
Malbec
is
is also fine.
Malbec is also fine.
But
This is a little bit light, but I thought I'll buy it because I haven't.
when did you buy this?
I bought it from Costco.
I wasn't there that time, right?
It was in the same. No, you were there. It was in the same bag, but I hide it under that rice we bought.
You are such a sneaky peek. Hey, try this now. Which one do you want to try?
So I will. Okay. I had to choose, right?
You had to choose one of them.
I like the hearts.
Okay.
She made some hearts. So let's do this. Let's do a cheers. Pick one.
I had so many strawberries. I really don't want it.
No, you have to eat it too. Or else I won't drink.
Are you?
Ah.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll go for the coconut because there's two. The girls were looking at the coconuts.
Okay.
Yeah.
So cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good.
Too much sugar.
It's good. But it's good. Chocolate is also good. I don't know how good it will go with the wine. It's not bad.
I think we did pretty good.
Okay, so what we could do is, in the following days, we'll do some surprises. How about that?
What?
So, this is the first time we are doing this.
On Curry TV.
On Curry TV, right?
And in
So-
real life. What are we doing now?
Yeah. So maybe each day, or whenever we could have some time like this, we can buy something and do some surprises.
From here on?
Yeah, till February 14th. Shall we do that?
You're always with me. How am I supposed to make something surprising? I'm always with you.
They don't know why you are saying that. Because I work from home all the time.
Me too. Both of us work from home, but his office is downstairs, mine is upstairs. We meet for lunch and then back again in the offices. I don't know, what kind of surprise are you expecting from me?
We'll see.
Is it a theme based?
No, nothing.
Whatever I
No,
want?
don't spend more money. Maybe $10 or $15 things,
Okay.
and see where it goes. Do you want to do that?
So budget is $15.
Yes, $15.
Does it has to be
15 or under.
15 or under? It has to be Valentine's theme? Or anything I
No,
want?
anything.
Anything I want.
We don't want a lot of hearts and everything and keep it for the whole year and everything.
What? Okay. That's
But
a
this is
challenge.
This is good.
Yeah. That's a challenge though. Can you give me an example?
This wine. I think this was like $15.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Yeah. I think I can pull it off. You gotta be creative though. Okay? We'll surprise each other.
Okay.
On a daily basis?
I don't know if we can do daily because we have 4 kids and then we had to get them to bed and everything. And on top of it, we are taking videos too. So I
And
don't know if
working?
we can. I'm working. So we don't know if we can do every day. Let's see where it goes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm up for that challenge.
Something here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm up for that challenge.
Okay.
We can do that.
Okay. What?
Do you want something? Do you need anything?
No. Just let's keep it as a surprise. and then see where it goes. Okay.
I was not expecting this. I was thinking of surprising you. Now you ended up surprising me.
I think. I bought this one. I just kept it. I didn't show you where it was and everything, and then I kept it in the fridge. I saw you were doing something.
You saw this?
No, with the kids. They.
Did Nimita and Nidhi talk to you?
Yeah, they did. They the younger one came to me and said, "Amma is making something for you." Then I actually kept this one.
Oh, she is the naughty one.
Anyway, this is good. I'm going for the seconds.
I still can't finish my first one.
I ate
The Costco strawberries are really big compared to the rest of the ones.
yeah, I like big strawberries.
There's two different chocolate.
How?
This one is
This
Milk.
is white.
milk white chocolate. This is candy glaze.
Oh. I'm behind the camera. I don't know the techniques she's doing, but I'm learning from her.
So far it's been fun though, right? Pramod never used to come into the kitchen. Never. This was
Yes, I do. That's how I take the video, right?
before Curry TV. I'll serve everything and I'll have everything ready, and then he comes and join us
Actually,
for.
she likes to cook. I like to taste. So she wants to cook, right? So that's why I'm giving her the full freedom to cook.
Yeah. So
Right?
whenever I ask him for something, he'll just he'll buy it for me, and then he'll criticize it very well. So
Actually, she likes to cook, so I buy her cookbooks. So she makes the food.
that was back when we were in India, though.
Yeah.
Here we don't buy any cookbooks, though.
Yeah, here.
Very good.
Shall I wrap up?
Yeah, we can wrap up. So, cheers to us and to you guys. Thank you for tuning into Career TV. This was just a fun, pleasant evening that we thought of sharing with you guys. It's life is too short to be too serious, and we can't do that. You got to be nice and enjoying life to the fullest. Every single thing in your life has to celebrate. Has to have some reason to celebrate. So I take every day for a precious day, as it is a precious day. So this was one of those days, and I believe we did something good.
Until a new surprise. Cheers.
You're supposed to buy the flute. I told you to buy the flute. Where's the flute?
Yeah. She won the flute. I'll buy it for you. Or I'll.
No, this wine is supposed to be in a flute. That's why.
Okay.
But I wasn't expecting this. This was a total surprise. Thank you.
So cheers.